Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your old Cash App account. So let's get right into it. Now, for this, you will need to have access to your old account, and to do so, you either need to remember your login credentials, aka your phone number or your email address which you've used for that account, or you need to contact support if you have your personal information tied to that account. While verifying it, then you might be able to recover it with the help of their support team. But pretty much all you need to do is you just need to log into that account and close it. You can close it, or you can request a full deletion of that account and all relevant data. And the way that you do this is the following. Of course, first you should access to download a copy of your data if you need it. So just log into Cash App. Then at the bottom, click Account to open up your settings. And you should do this in the web browser, by the way, on cash.app/account. Click Account to open your settings, then go into Security and Privacy, then locate Download Your Info. Click on that and download a CSV file that contains all of your personal information. After that, to permanently delete the account, go to your profile in the top right corner, go into Support, click on Account and Settings, and then just open the Delete Your Personal Information article and choose Chat to start the process. And once you do, just follow the prompts and your old account will be deleted. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.